Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Google Chrome is one of the fastest browsing web browser. Many people using this web browser, but in Windows 11 computer by default, Microsoft Edge browser only installed. So you have to manually download and install this browser. Let's learn how you can install the Google Chrome on Windows 11. First you have to open the Microsoft Edge web browser, search the Google Chrome. Then you have to click on the download now. Then you have to click on the download Chrome button. If not download automatically, you have to click on the download Google Chrome manually. So we have to double click on the Google Chrome setup exe file. The Google Chrome web browser is downloading in your Windows 11 computer. Once the installation completed, the Google Chrome web browser is automatically open. So you can click on the set as a default. Here you have to search the Google Chrome. So you have to click on that. So you have to click on the set default. That's it. Now your Google Chrome web browser is a default browser in your Windows 11 computer. So in this way you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.